some phenomenal costumes back in the mid-70s where they may be a lot more flamboyant, a lot more glam rock.
I had a lot of help from Brian. Going to Brian's house, we saw all of these items, and at one point he sort of said, look, I'd love to lend you some of these.
Luckily, we have a lot of our clothes still. Come and look through my whole archive, if you like.
We just said, help yourselves.
Well, today I'm wearing an original Brian May. I've got his waistcoat, which is amazing. It's got like a nice little skeleton detail on the back. Beautiful embroidered little kind of schmuck number. We've just been shooting in slow motion, so these have been waving around, which looks pretty awesome.